everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create a few pairs of earrings using the newest Softlex company design kit, Carnival? And this was their exclusive kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza Midsummer Market 2025. So we are creating these beautiful little elephant earrings as well as a statement earring, super lightweight. And the statement earrings were from the beads from the Carnival bead mix from the Jesse James bead mix. And if this kit or bead mix is still available, I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description, as well as the current Softlex company design kit and a link to the tutorial playlist with all my creations from the design kit Carnival. You will just need some head pins, jump rings, ear findings, and then just beads from your collection or from the kit. These little elephants are so cute, just very detailed in their check glass. And then we have this exclusive bead here that was in the kit, a crystal from the Bedoria bead mix, and then another crystal as well as the beads from the Jesse James bead mix. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. Let's start creating. So we're going to start with the elephant earring first. So we're just going to need our ear wire, one eye pin, one head pin, and then the beads for your design. So to start, we're just going to add in our head pin, add in our crystal, and this beautiful check glass. And it looks like a flower, and it's kind of yellow and clear. So if anyone knows the name of this bead, please comment down below. And we're just going to make a wrapped loop. And I'm using my one-step looper tool. So we're just going to slide it in to our tool and give it a squeeze. And this will give us the perfect loop every time. And then I like to just take my round nose pliers, and normally I will go ahead and close the loop on my little finding that I just made, but I'm just going to open it and attach it to the bottom of the eye pin. And you could connect them with jump rings. So just kind of a design preference. And then we're going to add on our elephants. And we're going to do the same thing. Make a super cute earring in less than 5 minutes. And then on the top loop here, we're just going to make sure that it is completely closed. I know this can be a little tricky with the tool, the way that the elephant bead is. We're just going to make sure that it's closed, and then we're just going to bring in our ear wire. And we'll give it a close. And if you love all things check glass beads, be sure to check out the Softlex Company live sales. They're every Thursday at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern. They have a lot of unique check glass. And we have our beautiful little elephant earrings. And now we're just going to make our pair of statement earrings. So we'll just move those off to the side. So we're just going to need 3 head pins, a jump ring, your ear finding, and then 2 of the little bead frames that were in the bead mix, this little crystal here, 1 crystal of your choice, and then 2 of the little silver rondel beads. Now this one can be a little bit tricky at first. Get the bead into the bead frame. But to start, we're just going to open up our jump ring. And when we open up jump rings, we just twist side to side. We're going to connect our little crystal, and then we're going to connect it to one. Oops. And then our open jump ring, we're just going to add on our eye pin. We're going to give it a close. And when you close jump rings, you should hear a little click. You'll know it's secure. And then we're going to slide on part of our bead frame. And we're going to add on our bead. And then just make sure that our eye pin goes through both of the loops. I'm going to bring in our one-step looper and give it a squeeze. And just set that off to the side for a moment. We're going to add on our yellow crystal to another eye pin and go ahead and give it a squeeze. And then I'm going to connect the yellow crystal. It doesn't matter which opening you use, to the bottom part of our little component that we just made. Then I'm going to grab my last eye pin and just open it up and attach it to the crystal and give it a close. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Add on our bead frame and then our little rondel bead and our bead frame. So even though these are really long for earrings, they're super lightweight. So if you ever need long earrings, but you don't want the weight, this is a wonderful project. I'll just put it into the looper tool again. And then we're just going to make sure that our top loop is completely closed. We don't want to lose our earring. Then we're just going to add on our earring finding and give it a close. So super lightweight, but definitely a statement earring. And we have finished our 2 pairs of earrings using the newest Softlex Company design kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza, Carnival. We have our beautiful check glass elephant earrings and then our little lightweight statement earrings, perfect for summer. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video if they are still available, as well as the tutorial playlist for all things Carnival Design Kit. Have an awesome day.